Looks like Pat hooked up on a nice red. We saw bait running over here in this pond to the left a second ago. He made the cast and it took it. It's fighting like a decent sized red though. See if I can creep up, get a better look at it.
You like to muscle them, huh? Oh yeah, that's a nice one. That's a nice size fish. I'd say he's about 28. That's a good 28, 29 inches. Yeah, got this camera on my head. I'll take a picture of it too. Tease Ivy. Hold up. Get my phone. Oh, man, I thought he was bigger than that. Yep. All right, let's get a picture. Send to the group. I wonder what it is. You think, how cold's the water? 62, yeah, that's still kind of cool. All right, so I say we do that. Just keep scanning these banks.
Enjoy it, have the fish. But I was thinking that, you know, if you play with this fish to enjoy the pool, you're gonna come right off.
Yep. Might as well bring them right in.
I heard something working the surface from way over there. So I decided to come over and see what it was. And when I got here, I saw a tail flapping in the water against the grass. So I made the cast and I hooked up. It feels like a nice sized red. He's fighting pretty hard. I don't think he's ready to come in. Caught him on one of my favorite lures, the Purple Haze Vortex Shad, Matrix Shad. Nice. Finally got a decent sized red and a good hook set. He must have been hungry. It's super foggy out here, man. When we launched this morning, fog was real dense. Then it started to kind of clear up, but as the day went on, it got worse to the point where I couldn't even wear shades. It's crazy.
Oh, okay. Should I go back there? Yeah. That I should have bought you flowers and held your hand. Everybody how you wanted to do a thing. Dang! Spooked another one. I made like 50 million casts right here, though. And there's another one.
I made about 20 casts in here, in this whole area. And the minute I started paddling in, I spooked 2 redfish. Crazy. I don't think they're hungry right now. Looks like that's a pretty big pond up there. I don't know if we can make it through there. I guess we're going. I tell you, man, I love my solo trips, but it's nothing like going out with people who share the same passion. It's a whole nother experience. Whoa, right at the boat. I love it. What is this? Oh, it's a trout. And a nice trout. Come on in here, trout.
You're right. They are clean looking. They're hitting it pretty hard too, they're just not taking it. There we go. Little rat red's chilling right there. You hooked yourself good, boy. I don't know if you could cast. Yeah, you just made a cast right there. I'm looking at the bottom, it just looks like it slopes. Not a big drop off or anything. Nothing drastic. I think I'm gonna move up a little bit. If I can get out of here. Whoa. Let's see.
Here we go. Yep. Yeah, it's a rat's nest over there. They seem to be just hanging out. It looks like he's about 15 inches. Maybe 16. But I'm not keeping him. You want to take this trout? Oh, I'm moving. I didn't realize I was moving. The other one's about the same size, huh? Thank you, sir. Yeah, I made that one. The one they had on there was too short. It was. I don't know. I like when they kind of swim. Yeah, behind it. Hey, are you all right? Let's see if he's in range. I knew he was going to skinny water. We're catching a few trout over here and some rat reds. You can see it? A little rat? So that's what it is. They're just sitting there. He's spooking them. He said he's seeing the big ones, but he's spooking them. That's usually how it is in those shallow ponds. Got him. Yeah.